Watch this, a real language model answering a real question, and none of it is touching the cloud. No API key, no account, no per token bill. It is running right here on this machine completely offline. The tool doing that is open source and free, and so are 6 more I am about to show you. 2 years ago, this was impossible. You rented intelligence from somebody else's server, behind a paywall, watching a meter tick up with every request. That has quietly flipped. The entire AI stack, running models, serving them, building with them, even training your own, is now open source and yours. Let me give you the 7 tools that make it real. Tool 1, and the foundation everything else sits on, Ollama. One command, Ollama run, and it pulls an open model and starts talking. Llama, Quinn, DeepSeek, Gemma, Mistral, dozens more, each a single line. No setup, no Python environment to wrestle, it just downloads and runs. And the moment a model is running, Ollama exposes it as a local server, an OpenAI-style REST API on port 11434. That one detail is the secret. Every other tool in this video can point at that endpoint, which means swapping the brain behind your whole setup is one word on the command line. And do not assume you need a monster GPU for any of this. These models ship quantized, compressed down to 4 bits, which shrinks them 3 or 4 times over with barely any quality lost. A model that wanted 40 gigabytes of memory now fits in 12. That is exactly how a laptop runs something that used to demand a server rack. A terminal is great, but you want the real thing. So tool 2 is WebUI. It is a polished, self-hosted ChatGPT running entirely on your own box. A clean chat, a sidebar of conversations, a model picker that lists every model you have pulled. It looks and feels exactly like the app you pay for. It just happens to be free and private. And it does more than chat. Drag a PDF straight into the message box and it reads the document and answers from it. That is retrieval, fully local. Your files never leave the building. It speaks the OpenAI API. It is extensible with your own Python tools, and a whole team can share one install. Tool 3 is for us, the builders. OpenCode is an open source coding agent that lives in your terminal. You describe a bug, and it reads the repo, opens the right files, makes a real multi-file edit, runs the test suite, and watches it go green. An actual agent working your codebase, not just autocomplete. And it is careful about it. A read-only plan mode to think first, a build mode to execute. Every change shown as a clean diff you approve before it lands. Bring your own key, Claude, GPT, Gemini, or wire it to a free local model through Ollama. It is MIT licensed, written in Go, and right now it is the most starred coding agent on GitHub, north of 160,000 stars. Running one model for yourself is easy. Serving it to 1,000 users at once is a different sport, and that is tool 4. vLLM. It is a high-throughput inference engine. Watch the requests fan in. Instead of handling them one at a time, vLLM packs them together and keeps the GPU saturated, and the tokens per second climbs. The trick is called PagedAttention. It treats the model's memory like an operating system treats RAM, in small reusable pages instead of one giant fixed block, so almost nothing is wasted. Add continuous batching, where new requests slot into gaps the instant they open, and you get production-grade serving. It came out of UC Berkeley, and it is OpenAI compatible out of the box. Now you have models in a dozen places, some local, some in the cloud, each with its own quirky API. Tool 5, LiteLLM, erases that. It is an AI gateway. You write one OpenAI-style call, and it speaks to over 100 providers behind it. Better yet, when one provider falls over, watch it automatically retry on the next. Your app never even notices, and because every call flows through one place, you finally get control. A live spend ledger across every model. Virtual keys and rate limits per team. Drop-in routing, so changing models is a config line, not a rewrite. One unified front door for all of your AI, local and cloud, behind a single key. Text is only half of it. Tool 6, ComfyUI, is how the open source world makes images and video, and instead of one magic box, it gives you a visual graph. Load a model, type a prompt, wire it into a sampler, decode to an image. You can literally watch the data flow node to node, left to right until a picture appears at the end. Because the pipeline is a graph, it is completely modular. Swap one node and you change the style. Save the whole workflow and anyone can reproduce your exact result. down to the seed. There is a giant ecosystem of custom nodes, and the same canvas that builds a single image extends, node by node, all the way to generating video. And people build serious things with this. Consistent characters across a whole storyboard, on-brand product shots by the hundred, upscaling, in-painting, style transfer, and increasingly short video clips. It is the quiet engine under a huge slice of the AI imagery you have already scrolled past, and every frame of it can render on your own GPU, no credits required. And the last tool closes the loop. Tool 7 is Unsloth, and it lets you fine-tune a model on your own data to teach it your product, your tone, your domain, feed it examples, hit go, and watch the training loss curve fall as the model gets better at exactly your task. What makes it special is the efficiency. Unsloth fine-tunes up to 2 times faster while using up to 70% less memory, with zero loss in accuracy. That is the difference between needing a data center GPU and doing it on the single card you already own, or a free Colab notebook. 500 plus models, Apache licensed, no catch. The reason it is so cheap is a trick called LoRa. Instead of retraining all of a model's billions of weights, you train one tiny adapter, a small patch that snaps onto the frozen original. You are nudging the model, not rebuilding it. That is why a job that sounds like a supercomputer task actually fits on a single card in an afternoon. Step back and look at the momentum, because this is not fringe software. Ollama has blown past 100,000 stars on GitHub. These are not science projects. They are the default tools that millions of developers now reach for first. Maintained in the open, shipping every week. And here's the part that makes it click. They are not 7 islands. Ollama serves the model. Open WebUI, OpenCode, and your own apps all point at that same local endpoint. LiteLLM routes between them. vLLM takes it to scale. They share one interface on purpose, so they snap together like Lego. You are not buying a platform, you are assembling your own. So why actually bother when the cloud is right there? First, your data never leaves your machine. No prompt, no document, no customer record gets shipped to someone else's servers to be logged or trained on. For anything private, legal, medical, internal code, that is not a nice to have. It is the whole ballgame. Second, the meter is gone. Once it runs on hardware you own, every token is free. You can loop, experiment, and burn a million calls without watching a bill climb. And third, no lock-in. No vendor can deprecate your model, change the price overnight, or pull the rug. You own the weights, the stack, and the off switch. Put it together and you have a complete stack, all open, all yours. Ollama runs the model. Open WebUI and OpenCode put it to work. vLLM serves it. LiteLLM routes it. ComfyUI creates with it, and Unsloth makes it your own. A request flows up through every layer and back, and not one piece of it is rented. And starting is genuinely a weekend, not a quarter. Install Ollama. It is a single command. Pull one small model and chat with it in the terminal. Spin up OpenWebUI in Docker for the real interface. That is it. You are running private AI in about 10 minutes, and every other tool builds on that exact base. Now the honest part. Open source is not magically effortless. You trade a monthly bill for running the thing yourself, and the cloud still wins when you need frontier model power on day one with zero setup. But for privacy, for cost at scale, and for never being held hostage by a vendor, owning the stack is the move, and it has genuinely never been this easy. Not sure where to begin? Match it to your goal. If you just want a private chat, it is Ollama plus OpenWebUI. If you want to code, OpenCode. Shipping a real app to users, vLLM and LiteLLM. Making images or video, ComfyUI. And when you are ready to train your own, Unsloth is waiting. Pick one, install it tonight. So there are your 7, Ollama to run, OpenWebUI to use, OpenCode to build, vLLM to serve, LiteLLM to route, ComfyUI to create, and Unsloth to train. 7 open source tools, 1 stack you fully control, $0 a token. The intelligence everyone said you would have to rent, you can just own it. If this opened up the open source AI world for you, subscribe to Cloud Codes. We break down the tools and the systems that actually matter, one build at a time. Now go install one of these and make something. I will see you in the next one.